A freelancer can work in following type of sectors. 1. Development and IT. 2. Design and creative. 3. Finance and accounting. 4. Admin and customer support. 5. Engineering and architecture. 6. Legal. 7. Sales and marketing. 8. Writing and translation, etc. If anyone want to know which skill sets are required for any of above sectors to work as a freelancer and earn money, then please comment the name of sector in the comment section. Now, let us see an example from above sectors. That is, engineering and architecture. In engineering and architecture sector there are various skill sets. If anyone wants to work as a freelancer, then he or she should have expertise in minimum one skill set. Now let us see which skills set will help to achieve a freelancing job. 1. Arduino programmer. 2. CAD freelancer. 3. Product formulation freelancer. 4. Industrial designer. 5. PCB designer. 6. 3D modeler. 7. Injection mold design freelancer. 8. Verilog VHDL specialist. 9. AutoCAD civil 3D freelancer. 10. Tutoring freelancer. 11. Architectural designer. 12. Xactimate specialist. 13. 3D printing expert. 14. Algebra freelancer. 15. Chemist. 16. Chief architect specialist. 17. Electronics specialist. 18. Computational fluid dynamics CFD specialist. 19. Photorealistic rendering freelancer. 20. Architectural rendering specialist. 21. Engineering drawing specialist. 22. Autodesk Revit specialist. 23. 3D rendering artist. 24. SolidWorks designer. 25. Electrical drawing specialist. 26. Autodesk Maya specialist. 27. Automotive design freelancer. 28. AutoCAD specialist. 29. Drafting specialist. 30. CAD designer. 31. Estimating freelancer. 32. Control engineering freelancer. 33. Landscape designer. 34. Interior designer. 35. MATLAB developer. 36. Interior architecture specialist. 37. Fusion 360 specialist. 38. LabVIEW specialist. 39. ANSYS specialist. 40. Mechanical engineer. 41. Reverse engineer. 42. Circuit designer. 43. Digital signal processing specialist. 44. Electrical engineer. 45. Buying freelancer. 46. Estimator specialist. 47. SketchUp specialist. 48. Product designer. 49. Mathematics teachers and tutor. 50. Scientific researcher. 51. Sketch artist. 52. Structural engineer. 53. 3D designers and artist. 54. CAD drafting freelancer. 55. 3D CAD design freelancer. So these are some examples of various skill sets according to your specialization. I hope that this video is helpful to get the information about freelancing job various sectors. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also share with your friends. See you soon in next video. Thank you all.